Wonder why Mimi's outside today. Oh, look at this. There's another car in meow. But it ain't mine. I wonder whose it could be. Enter stage right. Or not, I'll just pan over to you.
Pan over to me? Okay.
We have a new team member. This is Vance. This is his, I don't know, what year is your car? I don't know.
94.
94 Integra. With,
It's not a VTEC.
no VTEC, but it is a B18. Sounds really good with the exhaust he has on it. So yeah, we have a new car to add to the team. It needs some work, but it still runs good, right, Van?
Doesn't leak oil. All that matters.
Yeah, not like my Miata. Thing leaks like crazy. But we're not here to talk about that. We're talking about your car today. So what are your plans for your car?
At the moment, just doing a couple modifications here and there.
Mm-hmm.
Eventually doing a motor build. Don't know if I'm going to go NA or go turbo. I don't know yet.
Yeah.
And I'm not doing LSV tick like everyone says to do. I'm building it my way.
Yeah, you gotta, your car, you gotta drive it, you gotta love it. So, yeah. We'll do some drives, we'll see more content of this car. We needed a front wheel drive in the crew anyway. So what are your 15s, right? 15 by 8?
15 by 6.5.
6.5, okay. Everybody goes 15 by 8, so I just assumed.
Yeah, I don't want to have to do all that.
Oh, look at that, new tools. Yeah. New hotness. Thank you, Home Depot. But this is what we've got for you guys today. We are going to do an install on his headers. Header, singular. One header. Bolts loose. They were studs, but some of the studs stripped. Yeah, it's just that. Don't want it to drop on you. You want to put another Jackson on it just in case?
Yeah, big one here. Don't fall on me.
Okay.
You might be crushed on my car.
Yeah. Wouldn't that be ironic? The thing you love so much ends up killing you. That's not funny. It's kind of funny. What size socket you need?
I need a 12 inch.
What? And 12 inch.
I mean 12.
It's a big socket.
12 millimeter.
Alright.
Anyway, I need a
Okay.
12 mil.
Let me just put the camera down.
You dropped your phone.
Sure it did. What's up?
it leaks.
Oh, it's gonna leak. No, I'm just kidding. Let's get that sound clip.
Rattle. That sounds good. Okay,
Getting some more content on this Integra. Now that we've got another person out here, we need to get Kyle going on his Z, but it's kind of hibernating for the winter, protecting it from the rain since it's still primered and all. It's old. He did have a rust issue. He fixed it, but he doesn't want to create another one until he can completely undercoat it. So we'll do some rock crawling videos or something soon. But keep GoPro and everything. We'll catch you guys later.